Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is how to deposit to your TipChat account. Do you understand? So remember that when you connect your wallet, that you're not going to change it. So it's better you connect a wallet that you know that you have an access to. Do you understand? Even if you lose your phone, you can actually get it back. So all we have to do now is to input the amount of Ethereum we want to deposit to our TipChat app. Do you understand? So remember that you'll be depositing from this your wallet that you connected. Do you understand? This very wallet now that you connected now, this wallet, you will just check amount of Ethereum that you have there. If you don't have enough, you can like add. So I actually want to deposit $5 worth of Ethereum. So I'll have to input it here now. I'm going to input the Ethereum, $5 worth of Ethereum, and let me see if what I have in my wallet can actually help me pay the gas fee. So do you understand? So that I'll just deposit it and then leave it there during Epoch3 Claim. I'll just claim my airdrop and transfer to exchange and then sell off. Do you understand? So sorry about that. So it's better you do the needful. Do you understand? Just take your time. You understand? So know when gas fee is low so that you can be able to like deposit. You understand? So now I'm going to input $5 worth of Ethereum here now. Let's see how it goes. So guys, I've actually like added the Ethereum. You can see that $5 worth of Ethereum. You understand? So I'm going to click on deposit. So when you click on deposit, it will say waiting for user to accept transaction. So that means I'm going to go to my wallet, do you understand, and accept this transaction. Now let me go to my wallet. So guys, when you click on that deposit, then you go to your MetaMask browser, you understand, then give it some seconds. This interface is actually going to show up. You understand? So you can actually see estimated gas fee is actually dropping. Before it was $5, $7, now it's $6. Do you understand? So like what I have on my wallet, sorry about that. So what I have on my wallet is not enough. So I cannot be able to like deposit. You understand? So total gas fee and what I'm to deposit now is now $11, which is not on my wallet. You understand? So I'll give it a little time and try again, and let's see if gas fee goes down. You understand? It's actually 1 a.m. now, so I'll give it a little time and see if gas fee will drop. You understand? So that I can be able to deposit. Remember that what I want to deposit is $5. You can see that here. So I'll give it a little time. So guys, you can see gas fee is $5.93. You can actually see the gas fee. It's still very high. I don't know why. You can see that. So I'm going to give it a little time then and try it again one more time. So guys, gas fee is actually showing $5. I think I will just give it a try. Let me confirm the payment. You understand? So oh no, let's give it a little time. So guys, you can actually see that say pending 10 confirmation. So my transaction is confirming. Do you understand? So I'll give it some seconds. You understand? So I've been debited. So guys, once your transaction is done processing, this interface is actually going to show up. It will say room key pricing. Choose your room's pricing, change intensity. It said aviation price 0.0065 Ethereum. Low, moderate, high. Just keep it at moderate. And then confirm curves. Understand? You say wallet balance 0.0026. Activation price 0.00071. You are ready to go. Get ready to join us. Here is some more about all you have to look for. You know what will happen. Let me just keep it at low. Understand? And then there's still no more change though. Let me just put it back to moderate and see the change, sir. You see that there's no more change, so let's just keep it at that low and then let's just click on activate. Do you see that? You click on this activate now. You understand? You click on this activate account, then you see awaiting aviation. So automatically I'm now in. You see how the tip app looks like. So this is my wallet balance. This is my wallet balance. This is my room price, 0 points. You can see that. So let's just navigate through the app. This one is a search bar in case you want to buy someone's key. You buy. So I'm not here to buy keys. So what I did was for me to be able to claim my Epoch3 airdrop. There is no way that I'm going to farm and then after farming I will not harvest my crops. So it's not possible. So just do, if you can be able to deposit at midnight, it will be perfect. You understand? So you might let it be. You might just leave it till midnight so that you can be able to like the gas fee will reduce. So what I paid was I paid $5 to deposit $5. You can see that you actually saw that. So what I have on my wallet was around $12, I think. So here is it. If someone buys my share, I can be able to interact with the person. So this is setting, deposit, withdraw. You can see that. So social as Twitter, Telegram, you can connect them. Account log out, this one. So copy your referral link, tweet referral. This is where to get your referral link. Do you see that? So you can tweet it also on Twitter. So your point coming soon, global point. So I think when you make a tweet, you will also earn points here. I don't know. So if you have $10, you can like just risk it, just deposit, use it. You sorry about that. Deposit $5, and then the remaining $5 might be for gas fee. It might not even be up to that $5 if you want to deposit yours. So that'll be all for now, guys. Once Epoch3 goes live, I'm actually going to notify you guys. So that'll be all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon.